What up, y'all? I just wanted to show you my board setup. So first off, boards coming all the way from Austin, Texas. Shout out to @PrettyRad on Instagram. That be my uncle, and he makes these custom boards, yellow tops. So I got Jessup Griptape he brought me down. We got some Ace trucks. Shout out Ace. Loose trucks save lives. Right now I got them tightened up because I'm trying to loosen them up just by riding them rather than loosening them, you know, completely to where I like them. Hopefully it adjusts to my skating style. This is what I heard. But we got Powell wheels that we won from an Instagram giveaway, and some Bronson Speedco bearings. And that's it. Shout out to all the loved ones, all the people who show us love. We got local skate shops, Slappy's Garage, Urban Water, New Line Skate Parks, who designed Spring Valley Skate Park, Ace Trucks, and we got Shieldless Mag. So, alright. Hope to get some clips in this. Hope to show you the clips. Alright, love y'all. Peace.